Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader at XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Pound Yen, and others. So let's get started. So this is the chart of gold right now. Huge movement, huge sell-off on gold, and right now trading at 1815. And the reason behind the sell-off is yes, Fed likely to hike rates in March as Powell vows sustain inflation flight. Okay. So this was the reason why there was a volatility in the market, craziness in the market. If you look at the chart of DXY here, dollar, then just look at the candle here, and right now you can see that dollar is extremely bullish here and dollar looks unstoppable right now. So as a result, there is selling on gold, euro, USD, GBP, USD, and other pairs. So in a market scenario like this, taking a buy position is very risky on gold right now. But keep in mind that they are likely to rate hike rates in March. Okay, so there is a possibility that once market once market reaches the resistance zone of 96.70 to 96.90, there may be a halt. Okay, there may be a halt, a speed breaker to this bullishness in the market. Right now, dollar is extremely strong. Things are very bad with gold here and USD especially. Okay, but yes, I am positive that dollar will be facing some trouble in this level. And when dollar will be facing some problem or some selling in this level, then definitely there will be some bounce or correction on gold. Okay, so keep your eyes on DXY, and keeping your eyes on DXY is very important right now. Okay. Secondly, let's talk about the chart of gold. Gold as expected to support at 1812 level here. 1812 level here. Hmm. If you remember correctly, then I told you that gold has got many layers of support. Okay, but though it had many layers, but ultimately fundamentals dominate the market. And whenever news comes up, then no support and resistance works in the market. If you have been watching my videos, then you have heard me saying million times that follow proper risk management. The support and resistance level are not permanent, and this is the main reason I have been requesting all of you for months and months, because when it comes to market, okay, it is your responsibility to protect your hard-earned money. Though right now it seems that gold is taking support, but we can see on the chart of DXY that it is very bullish. So if you are planning to take a buy position, then you are taking a huge risk right now, my dear friend. So what are the trading opportunities then? Okay, the trading opportunity that I see is just keep your eyes on DXY. Okay, when DXY will be at the resistance level. Yes, listen to me carefully. When DXY will be at the resistance level, then look at the position of gold. If you see gold trading in this level only, then you'll get the confirmation that this is a temporary support for gold right now. Temporary support 1812 to 1810. It is a temporary support for gold. Okay. So if gold bounces from this level and DXY reverses from this level, you can definitely take a buy position. But that is for day trading purpose only. It is for day trading purpose only, because FOMC is also coming up again and there will be volatility again in the market. So things will be again scary. So if you take a buy position here at this level for day trading purpose only, and in case the bullishness continues on DXY, and if you see DXY breaking the resistance going up, then there will be some selling on gold again, and definitely you can take a sell position. Okay, you can take a sell position below 1810 level. You can take it if you see fresh selling in the market and good buying on US dollar DXY, then only you can take a sell position. Already market has witnessed heavy sell-off. There may be some correction in the market and you can take a buy position. Just keep in mind for day trading only. Okay, so these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now because of the present volatility in the market. Okay, so be careful, my dear friends, because again FOMC is coming up, and beginners, new traders, you should be staying away when an event comes up because either you will double your money or you will wipe your account. So you must focus on learning first. Anyways, let's see tomorrow. Bye bye.